Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, TheLowSodiumQueen, and today I'm going to be looking in the book 500 Recipes by Logue. I think that's his name, and today we're going to be making a pie crust and an easy apple pie. I'm going to put the apple pie stuff, but I'm going to make it a peach pie because I don't have any apples, so I'm going to use peaches instead, canned peaches. And it's going to be using all the recipes that they have except the peaches will be apples on a low sodium apple pie. It's Sunday, so we're going to have lasagna later today, which I'm also going to record out of the book. So the recipes can be found on page 474 and 475. And the book will be below in the description. So first it says we need 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Alright, 1 cup. And then 1/3 cup. Alright, 1/3 cup. Flour over there. And take in mind, guys, that I already preheated the oven to 350 because that's what it's called for. So now we're going to do 1/3 cups of vegetable oil. It says add flour and oil and mix well with a fork. I'm not going to use a fork. I'm going to use my hands from the South. Not afraid to get my hands gross. So now it says I need to add 2 tablespoons of cold water to this. But it's turning into a pretty good dough. Ooh, that is cold. It came straight from the refrigerator. Thank you. And we're just going to keep mixing that up. We're going to be making the peach filling for this pie. And what I'm going to do is use 2 cans of peaches right here. And I got these from Aldi and they have 0 milligrams of sodium in them. And I'm using them in light syrup. So we're back, and I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. One tablespoon of sugar. and just mix all this together. Alright, so we're supposed to put this in the pie. Put the pie right here so you guys can see. I'll put that one egg back in here. I need to melt some butter, but I need half a cup of sugar. Alright, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of sodium-free baking powder. This is the kind that I'm using right here. I got it off Amazon. Alright, half a teaspoon. And then 1 cup of the flour. And it says I need 3/4 cup of melted butter. Alright, we're back, guys, and the butter is done. And I'm going to take the whisk and just whisk all this up. Alright, and now it says to take little pieces of it and put on top of the pie. So we're gonna put our pie in the oven. It's preheated to 350 degrees. And there we go. And we'll get it out when it's all crispy. Hey guys, so the pie is done, and this is how it looks. I can't wait to taste it. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Actually, I tasted the crust and it was really good, but I can't wait to taste the peaches and stuff. I will taste it and let you guys know my review on Instagram. So don't forget to follow my Instagram. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I think in my other video when I was showing you the pie that I forgot to turn my mic on, but that's okay. Alright. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in this little thing right here. Alright. Bye guys. Until next time.